My name is Brenda Mallon. I'm a senior researcher in the Institut Gustave Roussy. I also work with the French African Pediatric Oncology Group, and my interests are in developing cancer registries. I'm responsible for a cancer registry in 18 different countries, in Franco-African countries in Africa. This workshop is very important to me because it opens up, this masterclass has certainly opened up a lot of areas for us. It helps in the development of cancer registration. Even though we work on hospital-based, it allows the opening up of these hospital-based registers so that they can be included in population-based cancer registries. So now I have a better network and I feel you're part of a more global network, which is very important for sharing information and sharing research.